Hello everyone. Curtiss P40 Warhawk is one of the legendary fighter planes of World War II, and in this video I am going to give you some historical information about this plane, what we get in the box, how to use the remote controller features, and also this tiny RC plane is capable to make some 3D stunts such as loop and rolls. In the box we get the user manual, a 1S 400 mAh LiPo battery, spare propeller, spare screws, one tiny screwdriver, a 1S LiPo charger. Also the remote controller, a 4-channel remote controller which requires 4 AA. Batteries and the plane itself. The battery compartment, we have operational ailerons, elevator, also our rudder is operational as this is a 4-channel aircraft. This propeller has a nice feature. When you crash it, it just pops out, so it keeps itself from breaking off, which saves you some money. So to turn on the plane, open the battery compartment. I have already put the battery inside, so I'm just going to plug it in. And now we need to turn on the remote controller to calibrate the gyro. Yes, it's connected and gyro calibrated. As this plane has an onboard gyro, it levels itself while flying, so which means this RC plane is a perfect product for beginners. It doesn't matter if you are an experienced flyer or a beginner, you can fly this one with the gyro mode. So the gyro mode gives you to control levels. Let me just turn off the gyro first. I'm going to show you what this means. So, see, this is the lowest control mode, and when you press this one, you get the medium mode, which gives you more control on turns, on the control surfaces, and it gives you more control. So when you press this, you get the medium level with still gyro on. See, now you have more control and low control. And this is the 3D stunt mode. To make some loops and rolls or even fly upside down, you need to turn off the gyro. When you press this one, the gyro gets off. Look at this. Now I am going to turn on the 3D mode. See, now you have the control, everything on yourself. Rudder. So, overall, beginner mode, medium mode, with if you have some experience, and this is advanced mode, pro mode, if you are a professional RC plane flyer. See, and with just one button, you just switch back to gyro mode. So, which means if you switch to 3D mode and try to fly and make some stunts and you lose the control of your plane, just press this one. See, now it's in the 3D mode, you lose the control, just press this one and it will level itself on the air. Then after that you just need to turn the plane to yourself and land without breaking it. This is a very good feature, I love it. Trims for the ailerons, elevator. Anything else? Just I am checking if I missed something. No, this is all we get in the box. The remote control features. Now it's time to fly. Let's go. Plug in the battery. Okay. Battery plug in. Put the plane on a flat surface. Turn on the remote controller. Gyro is calibrating. Calibrated. Okay. Let me put on the propeller. This propeller pops out when you crash. I just crashed when I am testing it, and it just pops out because to keep it from breaking. Okay. It can also take off from the ground. Okay. Hand launch, beginner mode, gyro on, low, direction control. With beginner mode, we have very low control on the plane. Now, medium mode, as you can see, we can make tighter turns. Now, 3D mode, loop, and roll.
Kuşlarla beraber.
There is some wind, that's why it decreases the altitude. Loop. Şu an göremiyorum.
Ben de göremiyorum.
Ya anne ben de.
Biz yapamayız şu anda. Sen yapamazsın. Ben de.
Ya yediğine güvenmiyorsun ama.
Another roll.
Ya bak ya.
Sallayayım seni de.
Ay taksın.
Düşersin. Yok. Düşersin. Kapıyı düşersin. Ben size böyle sallayayım.
Tutsun anne.
Landing. As you can just see, when the propeller touches the ground, it just pops out and it doesn't break. This is a very good safety feature, and beginners can use it, can fly it. Also, if you have some little experience, you can fly it. And with the 3D mode, gyro off, you can even make some stunts such as loop and rolls. This is a 1S cheap beginner RC plane that you can buy. You can find the link in the description. As always, thank you for watching. Have a good day.